Supply Company tab for you. 2006 Carlton 2012 chipper. This has a John Deere 140 horsepower engine on it. Chipper starts, runs, and works really good. 1,600 hours. Has new drum bearings. Has a rear winch. We're going to feed some material through it here for you. See there, that thing eats stuff. See the chips that it's making. Guys, there it is. Got any questions? 814-658-3066. We did not have the auto feed on there. It seemed to work very good. Got any questions? 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out our supply company. Have a great day.